what do we have here?
Welcome to No Prs RC.
What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the new Bright RC Polaris, the Polaris RZR, whatever that stands for. Does that mean razor? Yeah, I'm not sure, but anyway, I found this on sale at the Goodwill, and I always wanted the bigger version of this, but I didn't want to pay, I believe it was $79.99 for it. So when I saw this little guy, I thought, hey, why not? The community might like this. I always wanted to demonstrate it and open it and see what it can and can't do, and now I have that opportunity. So we're going to be unboxing this and checking it out, see how it looks, and we will go from there. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so as you can see, I got this for $17.99. I'm not sure if I paid a good price because I forgot how much it was at Walmart. I think I did get a good price because this might have been a little bit more at Walmart. All right, so let's proceed to unbox this guy. Yes, 1/14 scale. So it does have batteries included, USB charger, 2.4 gigahertz. Ooh, you can race up to 6 vehicles with this. That's pretty cool. But getting this open, just a little bit complicated.
A few moments later.
We got the owner's manual, yada yada yada. We don't need that, so just toss that out. Got the batteries right here, so let's just get that out of there. Yes. So here's the two AA batteries that it comes with. I'm assuming this is going to be for the transmitter. Let's continue.
The struggle is real.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we have the transmitter up, down, left, right, BA, select, start. No, it doesn't do that. Anyway, this is where the AA batteries go. That is included, that I just shown you previously. And as you can see here, we have the guest of honor, the new Bright Polaris RZR. I don't know what that stands for. I'm going to assume it means razor. It doesn't say that on the box, but here you can take a look at the tires. They are rubber. They have a pretty good grip. I don't believe this is all-wheel drive. We will find that out here soon. The doors do not open. We do have shocks in the front and in the back, but they are not very flexible, but whatever. If you look in the inside, you do have the steering wheel, a couple of seats that has razor on them. There's the USB cable. Turning it around, you have the stickers for the tail lights, bumper guard here, mesh net here. On the top, you just have this sticker. All of this is made of plastic. On the passenger side, pretty much the same thing as on the driver's side. In the front, we have the sticker lights. It would have been cool if the lights on the rail lights on the roof would light up. Underneath the carriage, you can adjust the steering here. You also have your on and off switch right here. This is where the battery itself is not in it. Batteries inside the truck itself, because yeah, it must be, because it's attached through there. We have to get this charged up. Once we get it charged up, we will take it out on a real world demonstration. So this is basically just a quick unboxing of the new Bright Polaris. I'm gonna say Razor. I don't know what else RZO would stand for, but overall it looks just like a Polaris. It looks great. The wheels look great. I like the color scheme. The red on black is awesome. And yeah, I look forward to seeing what she can really do in the real world, so stay tuned for that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button, and don't forget the notification bell so you know when we drop new videos.
No Prs RC giveaway update.
We have no participation. I tried. It is what it is.
Oh my gosh!
Maybe we'll try again at a later date. Anyway, thank you very much for taking your valuable time and watching this video, and stick around for part 2 of the real world tests of this new Bright Polaris. I'll see you guys on the next one. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.